Today we will operate the SuperbMelt automatic melting machine. First, we open the power box on and screw here. Open it and connect the power cable. Phase 1, 2, 3, net 0 cable, also a earth cable. Here is for earth. That's all. We close the door. And we add the oil from here. Here, open the screw here and add oil. And you can see here, the oil need to add around full. And the oil number, it is number 68 or number 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. About 600 liters. 600 liters. First, we open the manual model and press motor start and open the emergencies. And we reset the cylinder here. Press reset. Also press feeding machine reset. Press here. Also the moving mode. This one, it is the moving mode. Press reset. Let everything in the original point. After you reset 3 button, you press menu, cylinder setting. And the user number is 39. 1, 2, 3, 39. And the password also 39. 9999. Oh. Okay. We go into the cylinder setting. And this is cylinder down, means this part, this moving down, this part moving down. And the feeding pressing, it is when the molding holder go down, and here has a time. This is the timing for this holder. And this ramp go back, means after you press, this come back, this part come back. And the speed you can set here. Also, this one, it is the pressure for pressing. The pressure when minting depends on your products. And this is the exhaust fan. And this is the press time. How long you need to press the coin. And how many times, maybe you want to press 2 times, 3 times, you set here. Okay. After you setting all these parameters, you go back to the main menu and setting the automatic. This one, it is for blank cylinder up, mean this one. Up and down, blank cylinder, up and down. And here, the moving mode forward and the moving mode back to middle, moving mode backward, mean this part. Here, it is backward, moving in the middle. When minting in the middle, and after you mint it, it will go there to putting the raw material. So for backward, middle, and forward, this is the meaning. And here it is for waiting time. Maybe you want to moving, come back. Maybe you want to come here and wait 0.5 seconds to suck the raw material. Normally, we don't suggest you to change here. No need to change. Just this number would be okay. And this is for guessing. It is this part, guessing. Maybe you need some gas to remove the dirty or anything else. You can use this function. Now we need to test how many pressure for our coin. So first, we take the moving mode forward and then put it in the middle. And you put the raw material into the die holder and press cylinder down. Press cylinder down. And cylinder up manually and inject it. After you inject up, let's check if the pressure it is enough or not. You can see this one, it is not enough. So we need to higher the pressure from here. We check this one. Think 120 bar. It is would be okay. So that's okay. And you can test again. And you need to press after you, and before you test again, you need to inject down and test. Put the raw material to test again. See. After you find the right pressure, we can go to the auto model. We can go to the operation. And this here, it is for monitoring. You can count how many pieces. You can check everything from here. Okay. After you set all the parameters here, and maybe you want to monitor the process, you can press here, operation, to see, hold this, and open the auto model, and press here for to start. And you can see the raw material will come from here automatically. You can see here we have a sensor. When the raw material till here, the sensor will working. Okay, machine start automatically working. And here we also have another sensor. This sensor, it is for protection the die. If the coin is not in the correct position, it will not working. For protection, this sensor. And you can see the process going smoothly. Okay. And here you can come here to see we have a holder finished. When the coin finish, it will come from here to hold the finished coin. After this finish, you change another one to hold it. Okay. 可以了吧？这个压完了。OK。If your raw material don't have full slots, you can press blanking cylinder down, and maybe only so much. You can stop from here. Use a blank. Touch here. It will stop and keep working. Press to start working. After you set all these parameters, we open the menu again, set the parameter, and open the semi-automatic. This is automatic, and this is semi-automatic. Semi-automatic, it is for testing if the machine can running well or not. Press here, and we can check this process can work well or not. Okay, this semi-automatic finish. You can see the machine moving very well. So we come back here and choose the automatic model to start the working. Press menu, press operation. To monitor, you can monitor the data here. Pay attention, after you test the semi model, here we'll have a raw material. You must take this out by your hand. And we start the automatic model to start working.